In this video, we're going to talk about solving proportions. A proportion is any time you have two fractions that are equaling each other. So in this example, 2x over 5 equals x plus 3 over 3. That is a proportion. The first step when you're solving a proportion is to cross multiply. It's sometimes helpful to draw these butterfly-looking things to remember which two things you're multiplying. So here we're going to multiply 5 with x plus 3. Now the important thing here is to remember that x plus 3 is a binomial, so you need to make sure to have the parentheses. Okay, then we're going to do 3 times 2x, which gives me 6x. All right, now you know the rest. My second step is to distribute. I get 5x plus 15 equals 6x. And if I continue, okay, my next step will be to subtract the 15. Or, let's fix that. Why don't we subtract the 5x first? Because when I do that, right, I can get all the x's together on one side easily, and I end up with x equals 15. Why don't we try this example too on your own? So pause the video, write down the example, and give it a try. All right, here we go. My first step is to, again, cross multiply because this is a proportion. And when I do that, I get 2x times 5, which is just 10x. And again, when I multiply 3 with the negative 2x plus 4, I need to make sure that it stays in my parentheses because it's a binomial. All right, I need to distribute the right side. I get negative 6x plus 12. Then I'm going to add 6x to both sides to try to get the variables on one side. I get 16x equals 12. All right, and to get the coefficient to be 1, I'm going to divide both sides by 16, and I get x equals 12 over 16, which I can reduce to be 3 over 4. And that's my final answer.